Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to get Facebook Marketplace. First of all, open up the Facebook app. Then click on Menu from the bottom right corner. Here, you can see the Marketplace option. Now tap on the Help and Support option. Then click on Report a Problem and tap on Continue to Report. After that, click the Include and Report option. Now choose the feature as Marketplace. Then type your problem as Marketplace option is not available here for me, but I need to access the Marketplace, so please fix the Marketplace option on my Facebook account. And tap on Done, then click on Send to report a problem. Once Facebook gets your request, it will solve your problem. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.